So next we have channel groups, and we can create a group by navigating to the Groups Task menu items on the left and create a new group. So here we can name the group as well as give it a description. So let's go ahead and create a new group. We'll say our new group. We can give it a description. This is just for testing. Click OK. And our new group is here. Now we need to save our group changes. Now if we ever need to edit a group channel details, then we can click the Edit Group Details. We first have to select our group and then Edit Group Details. That takes us back to edit the group details. Just like channels, we can also import and export groups. We also have the option to delete a group. Now we can assign channels to groups in a few different ways. So we can select our channel. We can drag and drop our channel into our group and save changes. Or we can select the channel and go down to our group tasks and assign a group. And here's where we can look through all the groups and assign our channel to our new group. So now they both appear under our new group